Utilizing the world's first telephone with a unique finger impression scanner incorporated with the show was as wonderful as I trusted it would be. There's no home secure breaking your screen space, and no bumbling for a peruser on the telephone's back. I essentially squeezed my pointer on the telephone screen and where the home catch would be. The screen enlisted my digit. At that point spun up a spiderweb of blue light in an example that in a split second conveys PC circuits to mind. I was in. Such a basic rich harbinger of things to come. A home catch that seems just when you require it, and after that escapes the way. I would wager a few bitcoins that in show unique mark sensors wind up plainly one of 2018's greatest telephone patterns, beginning with top of the line gadgets like the supposed Samsung Galaxy S9. This Vivo telephone could dispatch a cell phone slant. However, the telephone I grasped was not the Galaxy S9, which doesn't exist yet. It's a pre-creation demonstrate by Chinese phonomaker Vivo. It's still without an official name, cost and deal date. For telephone fans, the genuine news is that this innovation, which was reputed for the Galaxy S8 and past, and furthermore for the iPhone X, isn't only a pack of hot air, it's genuine, and it works. How and show unique mark perusers function. Truth be told, the unique mark sensor, made by sensor organization Synaptics, lives underneath the 6-inch ALD show. That is the screen you're really taking a gander at underneath the cover glass. You can see it in our photographs here.